Hello everybody, Eric the Green here, and glad to bring you this video on the Krewer Blueberry. Got this plant early spring of 2019. It made one blueberry last year, and it was, about the size of a Climax or Premier, and I thought that I may have got the wrong variety sent to me, but this year, the berries are pretty good size. They're actually monster for a rabbit eye, and they're real dark, real beautiful dark berries. And I was going to pick a few here. These have been hanging for at least like 7-8 days. I left them on here to get maximum ripeness. Some of these are pretty good size. Now, Krewer was released after Titan, and they're both supposed to be the size of a quarter, but I've had some I had some Premiers that were almost that big this year. Let me get my quarter out, and we'll see if that adds up. All right. No, not quite this year. I think they will get bigger. This year, like I said, they're a lot bigger than the one I got last year. And another thing about this plant, Krewer is from the University of Georgia. It was released just a few years ago. Look at the dark color on these berries. Really pretty. And one thing I've noticed about this plant is that it doesn't seem to wilt, is what I'm trying to say, in the heat. A lot of the newer planted blueberries the first year, the tops will wilt back a little bit if they get a little dry. This one just doesn't do that. It doesn't seem to mind a little bit dry. It has a little bit of drought tolerance, I think. One thing I've noticed, I'm not sure if that's a trait of the Krewer Blueberry. They're just a beautiful color. And now these are really ripe. So if these don't taste good, which I'm sure they will, all blueberries. I love all blueberries. But if these are going to be probably peak flavor here. Let me try one. Oh, wow. That is the best blueberry I've had all year. We've gotten a lot of blueberries. A lot of Climax, Tiff Blue, Premier. I tried my first powder blues, which were almost this good. I don't know. This is as good or better than Ocalocony. Wow, that flavor is awesome. Okay, huge size. I think it has a little bit of drought tolerance compared to other blueberries. Look at the green color. So it's got great association in the soil here with the mycorrhiza. This has never been fertilized with anything, just straight in the soil and mulched. So man, this is really good. All right, Krewer Blueberry, very impressed. Very sweet, a lot of flavor, almost tastes like, I don't know, I don't really like Kool-Aid, but it does have like a blueberry punch flavor, or just really good. Let me try another one. Yeah. Wow. I'm not exaggerating. Best blueberry I've had all year. I'm glad to make a video on it. All right. Thank you very much for watching.